instead of background images, you can also use background videos right over here. So for that, you simply go over here onto the image area and then click on edit right over here. And there's an option to edit and replace your image. So once you click on this, what happens is that here you have video as an option. So once you click on it, what happens is that a video has replaced the background right over here. So right now in the preview, it's not playing, but if you were to go over here onto the preview site, you can see that the video is playing out. But this type of like a video background does take a lot of space for your web space. That is, it does take a bit of time for the end user to load this. So only use this feature if you really know that the end users do have a very good internet connection. Otherwise, if you're targeting somewhere for where the connection is bad, you might want to avoid the videos like this. So in order to replace the video, while you're on the video section itself, what you can do is you can click on replace right over here and then search for other medias from Wix right over here, like videos, as you can see, which there are. For example, something like this, you can simply select this out right here and press apply right over here. And then what happens is that the video is replaced out right over here. And once you preview this out, what happens is that the video is played out and it looks more dynamic, as you can see right over here. So let me just go back over here. And then what I'm going to do is over here, you have some media layout options. For example, there's background right here. You can go for strip type of a layout right over here so that the video actually pops up below right over here, just like this. So these are the type of options which are actually given to you. So background or strip according to what you need, just like that. You can also work around with the scroll effect as well. So that's how you use videos as backgrounds in Wix ADI. So in the next lesson, we're going to see on how you can import your own video. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.